It's about 1 in the afternoon. And it's a very nice day in the 70s. It's supposed to go to the 80s. Not too much in the way of clouds. Skies are pretty blue. Very pleasant day. Don't you think it would be fun to go for a ride, Pierce?
No.
No? You don't want to be your grandma's wheelman?
No.
But I want to go take pictures, buddy.
No.
But, please?
No.
Please.